Feeling constantly tired? It's not just about having a busy schedule or not getting enough sleep. Persistent fatigue can be a sign that your body is lacking something crucial. Muscles cramping up for seemingly no reason? These cramps can strike at any time, whether you're in the middle of a workout or just relaxing at home. They can be painful and disruptive. You might brush it off as just a tough day. But what if it's something more? Confusion and irritability can also be linked to low potassium levels, affecting your mood and mental clarity. These could actually be signs of low potassium, a condition called hypokalemia. It's more common than you might think and can have serious implications if left unchecked. Potassium, an essential mineral, plays a vital role in many bodily functions, including muscle contractions, nerve signals, and fluid balance. Without enough potassium, your body struggles to perform these critical tasks. And when your levels drop, your body can send out some pretty clear signals. Ignoring these signs can lead to more severe health issues down the line. In this video, we'll dive into 7 warning signs of low potassium you absolutely shouldn't ignore. Each sign is a clue that your body needs more of this vital nutrient. We'll break down each symptom, understand why it happens, and how it affects your overall health. Knowledge is power, and understanding these signs can help you take proactive steps and discuss what you can do to get back to feeling your best. From dietary changes to lifestyle adjustments, there are several ways to boost your potassium levels naturally. Remember, this video is for informational purposes only and is not intended to be a substitute for professional medical advice. Always seek the guidance of a qualified healthcare provider with any questions you may have regarding your health. Always consult with your healthcare provider for any health concerns. They can provide personalized advice and treatment options tailored to your specific needs. One of the most common signs of low potassium is muscle weakness. This symptom can be subtle at first, making it easy to overlook. You might think you're just tired or out of shape, but it could be a sign of something more serious. You might notice it in your arms, legs, or even your entire body. This weakness can make everyday activities feel more challenging than usual. Tasks that were once easy, like carrying groceries or climbing stairs, can suddenly seem daunting. This happens because potassium is crucial for muscle contractions. Without enough potassium, your muscles can't contract properly, leading to that feeling of weakness and fatigue. Think of potassium like a spark plug for your muscles. Just as a spark plug ignites the fuel in a car engine, potassium helps ignite the energy in your muscles. When your levels are low, those sparks weaken, leading to fatigue and difficulty performing everyday tasks. You might find yourself feeling unusually tired, even after a good night's sleep. Imagine struggling to climb a flight of stairs or feeling like your legs are made of lead after a short walk. This can be incredibly frustrating and can impact your quality of life. That's the kind of impact low potassium can have on your muscle strength and energy levels. It's not just about feeling a little tired, it's about a significant decrease in your ability to function normally. If you're experiencing persistent muscle weakness, especially if it's accompanied by other symptoms we'll discuss, it's important to pay attention. Don't just brush it off as a minor inconvenience. It's essential to talk to your doctor. They can run tests to determine if low potassium is the culprit and recommend the best course of action to address the issue. They can determine if low potassium is the culprit and recommend the best course of action. This might include dietary changes, supplements, or other treatments to help restore your potassium levels. Don't dismiss muscle weakness as simply being out of shape. It's a symptom that deserves attention and proper evaluation. It could be your body's way of telling you something's off. Listen to your body and take action to ensure you stay healthy and strong. Ever experience those sudden, involuntary muscle contractions that seem to come out of nowhere? They can strike at the most inconvenient times, whether you're in the middle of a workout, relaxing at home, or even sleeping. Those are cramps and spasms, and they can be incredibly painful. The sudden tightening of the muscle can leave you momentarily incapacitated, making it difficult to move or even think clearly. Low potassium can disrupt the delicate balance of electrolytes in your body, leading to these uncomfortable muscle spasms. Electrolytes are essential minerals that help regulate nerve and muscle function, and potassium is a key player in this process. This is because potassium helps regulate muscle contractions, ensuring they happen smoothly and efficiently. Without enough potassium, your muscles can't function properly, leading to erratic contractions and painful cramps. When your potassium levels drop, your muscles can become more excitable, contracting erratically and causing cramps. This can be particularly troublesome during physical activities or even while you're resting. These cramps are often felt in the legs, but they can occur in other parts of the body as well. The arms, hands, and even the abdomen can be affected, making it a widespread issue. If you're prone to muscle cramps, especially after exercise or at night, low potassium could be a contributing factor. It's important to pay attention to your body's signals and take steps to address any deficiencies. Staying hydrated and consuming potassium-rich foods can help prevent these painful episodes. Foods like bananas, oranges, and spinach are excellent sources of potassium. Additionally, drinking plenty of water can help maintain the balance of electrolytes in your body, reducing the likelihood of cramps. Believe it or not, low potassium can also wreak havoc on your digestive system. Potassium plays a vital role in muscle function throughout your body, including the muscles in your digestive tract. When potassium levels are low, the muscles responsible for moving food through your intestines can become sluggish, leading to digestive problems like constipation. You might experience infrequent bowel movements, bloating, and abdominal discomfort. In some cases, low potassium can even lead to more severe digestive issues like paralytic ileus, a condition where the intestines completely stop working. This is a serious complication that requires immediate medical attention. If you're experiencing persistent digestive problems, don't hesitate to talk to your doctor. They can help identify the underlying cause and recommend appropriate treatment. Your heart is another organ that relies heavily on potassium to function properly. Potassium helps regulate your heartbeat, ensuring it beats steadily and efficiently. When potassium levels drop too low, it can disrupt your heart's electrical activity, leading to irregular heartbeats, also known as heart palpitations. You might feel your heart racing, fluttering, or skipping a beat. These palpitations can be alarming, but they're not always a sign of a serious heart problem. However, if you experience frequent or persistent palpitations, especially if they're accompanied by dizziness, shortness of breath, or chest pain, seek medical attention immediately. Remember, your heart's health is paramount, so never ignore any unusual symptoms. Ever experience that pins and needles sensation in your hands or feet? That's tingling, also known as paresthesia, and it can be a sign of low potassium. Potassium is essential for proper nerve function. It helps transmit nerve signals throughout your body, allowing you to feel sensations and control your muscles. When potassium levels are low, your nerves can't communicate effectively, leading to tingling, numbness, or a prickling sensation in your extremities. These sensations are often felt in the hands, feet, arms, and legs. While tingling and numbness can be caused by various factors, if you experience these symptoms alongside other signs of low potassium, it's crucial to consult with your doctor. In severe cases, low potassium can lead to breathing difficulties. This is because potassium plays a crucial role in the function of your respiratory muscles, the muscles you use to breathe. When potassium levels drop dangerously low, your respiratory muscles can weaken, making it difficult to breathe. You might experience shortness of breath, shallow breathing, or a feeling of tightness in your chest. Breathing difficulties due to low potassium are a medical emergency. If you or someone you're with is experiencing these symptoms, call 911 immediately. Prompt medical attention is crucial to restore potassium levels and prevent life-threatening complications. You might be surprised to learn that low potassium can also affect your mood. Potassium plays a role in brain function, and imbalances in electrolyte levels can impact neurotransmitter activity. When your potassium levels are low, you might experience mood swings, irritability, anxiety, or even depression. These mood changes can be subtle or more pronounced, depending on the severity of the deficiency. If you're noticing significant shifts in your mood, especially if they coincide with other symptoms of low potassium, it's essential to talk to your doctor. Addressing any underlying potassium deficiency can help stabilize your mood and improve your overall well-being. Thanks for joining me on this deep dive into the warning signs of low potassium. Remember, your body often gives you clues when something's not quite right. Paying attention to these signs and seeking medical advice when needed is crucial for maintaining your health and well-being. If you're experiencing any of the symptoms we discussed, don't hesitate to reach out to your healthcare provider. They can determine if low potassium is a concern for you and recommend the best course of action. Remember, knowledge is power when it comes to your health. Stay informed, stay proactive, and take care of yourself.